control valve on a 55 Chevy heater core. So I don't know if any of you have. If so, great. Maybe you'll be able to point out all my mistakes in the comment. If you haven't done it, like I haven't done it, well, maybe we'll learn about it together. Gonna get it out. I did see it move a little bit. These heater cores. All right, guys. Well, here's the old heater core. Here's the thermocouple we got to get out. That's it right there. That's your thermocouple right there. See, let me pull this off so you guys can see this little doodad here. Hope you guys can see that with the little straight leg. There we go. Heater core is ready to go with the new control valve. Outstanding. The story with the fuel cell goes like this. I had a guy tell me before that the foam in there gets into your fuel system and just clogs it up and makes a mess. You see how you have these open vent fittings on the top of it? Well, a little bit of the packing foam, because this thing was packed in foam when it came. And when I opened this up and looked inside, sure enough, there was little pieces of white foam in there. So I took it apart, and I even pulled the sloshing foam out, vacuumed the whole thing, got all the little pieces of white foam out, but then I put the sloshing foam right back in. And as it turns out, the sloshing foam over the course of a few months of soaking in the gas, it too breaks down and pollutes your gas system. So I gotta take this front cover back off. And, oh, excuse me, that's like fingernails on a chalkboard. But there it is. It's already coming apart, dragging it out. And you can imagine being in the fuel for a while, what could happen. All right, there it is. All right, guys, well, there you have it. I don't pretend to be an expert, but from talking to other people and from what I've read, this stuff right here breaks down and causes nothing but heartache. So I took it out of my fuel cell. And maybe you want to think about taking it out of yours. I don't know.